students, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today I will show you how to perform multiplication of decimals. Let's start. Let's understand the concept with the help of an example. Here our first number is 69.253, which we are going to multiply with 8.92. Here this question is in horizontal form. So first of all, we need to write this question in vertical or column form. So here is our first number 69.253 and here 8.92, multiplication sign and the line. Before starting the actual multiplication, I would like to clear one point that a multiplication is always divided into three parts and two lines. Our first part is question, second part is process, and third part is result. In this first part, we can have decimal point. In this result part also we can have this decimal point, but during this process we don't have decimal point, right? So here this is our question part which contains the decimal points. Now we are moving for the process. Let's start. Here we need to multiply this 2 with this 3 first, then with 5, then this 2, then this 9, and then with this 6. 3 times 2 is 6, 5 times 2 is 10. So we need to write down this 0 here and this 1 is carry forwarded. Now 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 9 times 2 is 18. We are going to write 8 here. 1 is carry forwarded. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we are going to write here 3. As you can see, there is no more digit present over here. So this 1 is also we are going to write here. Now we are done with this ones place value 2. So we need to put 1 cross here to block this ones place. Keep in mind, this is the process part, so no need to write the decimal point here. Now let's move for the next digit, that is 9. Again we need to multiply this 9 with all the digits present in the first number. So first of all we need to multiply this 9 with this 3. So 3 times 9 is 27. We are going to write this 7 here to carry forwarded. 9 with multiplied with 5. So 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 2, 47. Write down this 7 here. This 4 is carry forwarded. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. Write down this 2 here and this 2 is carry forwarded. Now 9 times 9 is 81. 81 plus 2, 83. Write down this 3 here and this 8 is carry forwarded. Now 6 times 9 is 54 and 54 plus 8 is 62. Write down this 2 here. As we are done with all the digits present here, no more digit present here. So write down this 6 here. No need to write the decimal point here. Now we are done with ones place value and tens place value. So before moving for the 8, we need to block the ones or tens place value here. That is, we are blocking with the cross. Now multiply this 8 with all the digits present in the first number. So first of all we need to multiply this 8 with 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. Need to write 4 here. This 2 is carry forwarded. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. Write down this 2 here. This 4 is carry forwarded. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Write down this 0 here. 2 is carry forwarded. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 plus 2 is 74. Write down this 4 here. This 7 is carry forwarded. Now 6 times 8 is 48. 48 plus 7 is 55. Write this 5 here, and as we are done with all the digits present here, no more digit present here, so write down this 5 also here. We are done with all these 3 digits. So now we can move for the next level, that is result portion. So we need to add all the digits, all the numbers present here in process. So here when we add the numbers, here at ones place we are getting 6, here 0 plus 7 7, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 4 16, 1 is here, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 2 13, 1 is here, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 0 7, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 6 plus 5 11, 1 is carry. Always mention carry inside the circle. So 1 plus 5 is 6. This is our result part, and I clear already that question can contain the decimal part and result can contain the decimal part. So here in this result we need to put the decimal. Now how we can put the decimal point here? We need to count the number of digits present after the decimal point in both the numbers. So here you can see that in first number, digits after decimal point is 1 2 3, and here 1 2. So total 5 digits are present after decimal point. So here we will count the 5 digits from the right hand side. 1 2 3 4 5. So here we are going to put the decimal point. So here we counted the 5 digits from the right hand side, and then we kept decimal point here. So here our final answer is 617.73676. We can write the answer here, 617.73676.
Thanks for watching, friends. I hope you understood the concept. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.